today sotela equation ye-Newton's second law bafethu. Okay, la bus ne-truck ne-trailer. Okay, so equation it's a 200 kg truck pull 500 trailer with a constant acceleration. Okay, the engine of the truck produce a thrust of 10,000 newtons. Ignore the effects of friction or neglect or overlook the effects of friction. Okay, so calculate the acceleration of the truck and the tension in a tow bar T between the truck and the trailer if the tow bar make an angle of 25 degrees. So one we have in a truck here to NMS of 2000 kg, and then we have a truck here to ban a trailer here to Jalo ban 500 kg. So we have in applied force here to 10,000 newtons, and then we have in tension here to excite what now it's an angle which is over 25 degree. Yeah. Okay, and then truck it accelerator ke right. Okay, so nakho benzile ke lana ke benza ngendlela yabo, and but mina ngishayela ngendlela enjani simple and shortcut yabo. So bona ke baqala ngokukhalculate i-tension, and then after that base bagcina ngokukhalculate i-acceleration, but thina soqala ngokukhalculate i-acceleration mase sigcina ngani nge-tension. Okay, ayikhaleke. Okay, so into yokuqala sizoyenza sodoba in i-free body diagram ye-trailer ne-truck. Okay, so let's say i-trailer yethu which is ubani na. Okay, so we have i-trailer yethu la, trailer yethu A, and then i-free body diagram yakhona ngizowadweba wonke ama-forces a-acta kwi-trailer straight yabo. Yeah, so that uzokwazi uku-understand. So we have u-Tx la, and then we have ubani u-Fg, and then siphinde sibe nobani normal force, and then sibe nobani no Ty yabo. Yeah, so and then siye B wethu, u-B wethu masihlukanise le nto le, u-B wethu which is in a-truck angani. Yeah, a truck. Okay, so i-truck we have ubani, we have u-Tx, and then mase sibe nobani no Fg, sibe nobani no Fg, and then mase siba no, there is Ty, u-Ty wethu. Yeah, and then sibe nobani the normal force yabo, sibe nani the normal force, because lento izoba kanje la, it's like something like this, and then head to 10 method iba kanje, head to 10 method yala, and then yalana. Okay, we have into kanje yangani, which means izoba kanje, ibe kanje, angle la, i-angle la yabo. Yeah, okay, so now so before u-calculate la ngaso sonke isikhathi draw in i-Cartesian plan yakho. So you draw i-Cartesian plan yakho, and then i-Cartesian plan yakho yona ezokunikeza ama-direction ama-forces akho ukuthi okay, i-force ethize iba negative, i-force ethize i-acta on a positive side yabo. Okay, positive, negative, it's positive y and it's negative y yabo. Yeah, so now asiqale ngani nge-trailer yethu sibhala ama-total forces it's acta horizontal, because lana i-truck yethu ne-trailer yethu ba-accelerator horizontal, abahambi vertical, bahamba horizontal. So which means so include ama-force ahamba horizontal. So F net is equal to bani u-ma yangani. Okay, so ama-total forces acta horizontally kwi-trailer yethu iyodwa kuphela ubani u-Tx, and then uyake phika right, which means positive. So Tx is equal to, and then mase yakhona it's 500, and then times A. Size la lona which is bani F net is equal to bani u-ma, and then ama-forces acta horizontally. I-applied force must be applied force la. Yeah, and then which is minus Tx plus, and then i-applied forces yethu iyona leyo bani 10,000 newtons yabo, which is plus 10,000 newtons is equal to bani 2,000. Yeah, is equal to 2,000 yabo. Yeah, so yes. Okay, and then now okay, so la sonza ngendlela yokuqala method 1. Okay, method yokuqala method 1 ukuthi okay sithi a plus b yabo. So to a plus b kanjani na? Okay, so thatha ifilo yala tx, so thatha f net wala, so like sothi f method 1 f net is equal to bani ma yabo. So so thatha ama forces acta ku trailer yethu which is le yodwa bani u-tx, isithatha ama forces acta kwilontuzane ku-truck yethu shothi minus tx plus u-10,000 newtons is equal to bani u-500 a plus u-2,000 a, and then lo cancela lo kusale no-10,000 newtons is equal to okay 500 plus lontuzane which is 2.5 times a, and then we divide by 2.5 both side. Yeah, both side we divide by 2.5, spin is divided by 2.5. Therefore a is equal to 2.5 abangena 10,000 bawu-4, so which means it's 4 meter cube per second, and then i-direction yakephi to the right yabo, yaka right yabo. Yeah, so iyona answer yethu le expression nawo lo 4 lo abamtholile yabo we-expression. So enye indlela kade ungenza ngayo method 2 ongenza ngayo ungenza kanjani na ukuthi okay, so nayi i-trailer yethu angani, so we have okay, enye indlela ongenza ngani nge-simultaneously equation. Okay, already we have equation yethu yokuqala tx is equal to 500 a, which is equation number 1, and then sibe nolo equation number 2 tx plus u-10,000 is 10,000 is equal to bani u-2,000 a yabo, and then u-tx wethu vele sesinayo la, and then which means lana so okay, that is equation number 2. So that's equation number 2, which means what lana bani 500, it's 500 negative 500 times a plus 10,000 kanje, and then is equal to 2,000 a, and then sihlangisa ama like term, so which means lo uyangala, so sala no 10,000 is equal to 2,500, because if uthatha u5 umisa ngalana and then mase umhlanganisa no-2,000 uzokukhiphela abantu u2.5 a, and then you divide by u2.5 la, and then uphinde udivide ngobani u2.5 nakephi nangala both sides. So therefore iwakho is equal to u4 again, 4 meters per lontuzana yabo. Enye indlela kade ungenza ngayo u-method 3, enye indlela method 3 kade ungenza ngayo ukuthi okay u-tx wethu oqala it's 500 a yabo, and then siye kwi-truck, and then mesiya kwi-truck, and then sizowenza u-tx abe yi-subject of part of the formula yabo. Yeah, so we have u-negative tx angani, negative tx is equal to bani u-2,000 a